Good morning, students. So, last class we discussed about representation of sets, that means in roster form and set builder form. Okay, so today we will discuss some questions on roster form and set builder form. Okay, so see the question. Write the following sets in roster form. कौन कहछि राइट द फॉलोइंग सेट्स इन रोस्टर फॉर्म फॉलोइंग के जो सेट्स देछि ताको हम क्या हम रोस्टर फॉर्म रे लिखिया में से कोई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन देछि द सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर्स सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर्स फर्स्ट 7 नेचुरल नंबर के बोले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ताको रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखिया सो योर आंसर केता हो This is the notation of set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is in roster form, the set of first 7 natural numbers. Okay, done. See the next question. The set of whole numbers less than 5. Set of whole numbers meaning complex natural numbers including 0. is your whole number. So कौन दे जाएगी the set of whole numbers less than 5 whole number that means के बोले 5 to less के 4 3 2 1 and 0. So its answer is set consists of element 0 1 2 3 4. These are the whole numbers less than 5. Okay. So go for the next question. The set of 5 numbers. The set of 5 numbers each of which divisible by 3. That means ये कौन कहते हैं set टा अच्छे कौन पांचरा number contains 5 numbers. Those 5 numbers are divisible by 5. The set of 5 numbers each of which is divisible by 3. So write down 5 numbers which are divisible by 3. Just simple 3 6 9 12 15. Yes or not? You can again also write 18 21 24 27 27 30. These are again numbers. So its answer is your the set so okay student first answer कौन है This is the set consists of first 7 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And second one the set of whole numbers less than 5. Whole numbers less than 5. So these are the number less than 5 whole numbers. Generally 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the whole numbers less than 5. Okay, see the next question. The set of 5 numbers each of which is divisible by 3. Set of 5 numbers each of which is divisible by 3. That means set रे कोन अछि पांचटा एमिति नंबर अछि जो नंबर 3 द्वारा divisible by 3. So simple numbers 3 is divisible by 3, 6 is also divisible by 3, 9 12 15. These are 5 numbers divisible by 3. Or you can also write 21 divisible by 3, 24 divisible by 3, 27 also divisible by 3, 30 also divisible by 3, 33. These are also divisible by 3. You can write any one of them. आको लिख परियो और गुडा सेट रा एग्जांपल दे दी परियो. ओके So similarly next question कौन है? Set of integers greater than -2 and less than 4. Set of integers greater than -2. Greater than -2 meaning कौन है? -2 to बड़ा, 4 to less. -2 to greater, 4 to less. Integers के अच्छे मो पाने. तार set टाइम लेके अच्छे. -2 to greater. -2 to greater integer मो पाकर कौन अच्छे? -1 अच्छी, then 0 अच्छी, 1 अच्छी, 2, 3 भी अच्छी. So this set consists of elements greater than -2. That means -2 to greater, -1 is an integer. 0 -2 to greater is again a integer. Next again +1, this one 1. Again make +1, this one 2, and again make +1, that one 3. So these are the integers greater than -2 and less than 4. Greater than -2 and less than 4. Okay. Similarly, see some more questions. See the 5. The set of whole numbers less than 20. So कौन को इसलिए the set of whole numbers less than 20 and divisible by 3. Less than 20 whole number को जो number divisible by 3. 22 less numbers which are divisible by 3. The set of whole numbers less than 20 and divisible by 3. Less than 20 whole number के अच्छे 0 to start करके 19 जाए मोर कौन अच्छे whole numbers अच्छे 22 less तांको भितरु divisible by 3. divisible by 3 के अच्छे 0 is divisible by 3. yes or not? 0 को हमें divide करें 3 रे 3 0 is 0 remainder 0. So 0 is divisible by 3. yes or not? And next one is your 3 is divisible by 3. Next whole number 6 is divisible by 3. Next whole number 9. Next 12 आसिबो. Next 15 आसिबो. Next 18 आसिबो. These are the whole numbers less than 20 and divisible by 30. क्वेश्चन कौन पाई देछि बेबी ऑलमोस्ट स्टूडेंट्स कौन करिवे 0 टा को छाड़ देबे बुझना ना 0 टा आरो एलिमेंट नहीं भाबे बट 0 इज ए होल नंबर. yes or not? 0 is a whole number and 0 is divisible by 3 and 0 is less than 3. So this one an important example. So this set consists of 0. okay, next the set of integers between -4 and 4. Set of integers between question number 6 रा आंसर कोन करे. The set of integers between -4 and 4. -4 and 4 रा भीतर जति कोन अछि इंटीजर्स अछि -4 and 4. -4 and 4 भीतर इंटीजर के अछि -3 is there, -2 अछि, -1 अछि. These are integers and negative integers. yes or not? And 0 is there in between -4 and 4. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. yes or not? So this is the set of integers between -4 and 4. This is the set of integers between -4 and 4. okay, so see the same next question. All prime numbers between 1 and 20. Prime numbers between 1 and 20. These are again a set. Its answer. Prime number meaning कौन बोले स्कूल रे पढ़लो prime number. That means the number which is divisible by itself and one only. The number which is divisible by itself and one only. That is your prime number. All prime numbers between 1 and 20. 1 and 20 भितरे कौन कौन prime number अछि 1 to 20 भितरे कौन कौन prime number अछि each 1 prime 1 प्ले prime number में prime के 2 prime 3 is prime Number 5 is again prime. Number 7 is prime. Okay. 8 not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is divisible by 9 3 also. Yes or not? And 10 is also not a prime number. 11, is it a prime number? Yes or not? 11 is a prime number because it is only divisible by 1 and 11 only. That's why 11. And 13 is also a prime number. 14 divisible by 14, divisible by 7. 14 is divisible by 2. So that's why it is not a prime number. Then 15 is also not a prime number because it is divisible by 5, 3 also. Yes or not? Okay. Next go for 16. 16 is also not a prime number. Then go for 17. 17 is a prime number. It is divisible by 17 and 1 only. Next 18 is not a prime number. Go for 19. Yes, 19 is a prime number. Okay. So this is the set of all prime numbers between 1 and 20. 1 to 20 भितर जति कोन अछि prime number अछि. These are the prime numbers between 1 and 20. So remember one thing, 2 is the only prime number, only even prime number, even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. आमपर जति के prime अछि पले से सब prime भितरु 2 is the only even prime number. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. Done. Okay, next go for second question. The square of first 5 natural numbers. Square of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural number के लिखना. First 5 natural number हो चुके. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are first 5 counting numbers or natural numbers. So this is given that the squares of first 5 natural numbers. Squares of first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural number ना square 50 है. 1 रो square, 2 रो square, 3 square, 4 square and 5 square. So you can write its value. 1 row square, that one 1, 2 row square, this one 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and 5 square is 25. These are the squares of first 5 natural numbers. So question 8 is also over. Okay. So go for the next one. Even numbers between 1 and 9. So first say that what is even number? A number is said to be even if it is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 is called an even number. Is called an even number. Yes or not? So he is asking about the even numbers between 1 and 9. 1 to 9 भितर जति के even number अछि. 1 to 9 भितर जति के even number अछि. So write down answers. So question 9. Even numbers between 1 and 9. 1 to 9 भितर कौन even number अछि? 1 is not a even number. 2 is even number. 2 is there. Okay. 3 is not a even number, but 4 is divisible by 2, so 4 is an even number. Then 6 is an even number. Then 8 is an even number. Yes or not? So these are the even numbers between 1 and 9. Or similarly say that odd numbers, set of odd numbers between 1 and 9. Odd numbers between 1 and 9. कौन कौन odd number अछि 1 to 9 भितर 1 is there, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd numbers between 1 and 9. So 1 include hobani, 1 include hobo से कौन पचाची between 1 and 9. 1 to 9 ଭିତରେ କଣ ଅଛି 3, 5, 7. Okay. So next, any four geometrical figures name. Okay. Write down any four geometrical figures. जे कौन से चारटा geometrical figure रा name को circle, yes or not? Circle is a geometrical figure, yes or not? Circle, then straight line. Straight line is again a geometrical figure. Circle, straight line, then rectangle, and triangle. Yes or not? These are four names of your geometrical figures. First one circle, next one straight line, next your rectangle, and next your triangle. These are four geometrical figures. Okay. Similarly, go for the next question. Single digit numbers which are perfect squares also. Single digit numbers which are perfect squares also. से कौन कहते हैं सिंगल डिजिट नंबर व्हिच आर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर आंसर. सिंगल डिजिट नंबर कौन कौन अछि बोले मोबाइल सिंगल डिजिट नंबर 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Single digit numbers which are perfect squares also. Those are perfect square clear. That means jar root बार करी पड़छ perfect square. So single digit number क्या अछि 1 अछि 1 is a perfect square, yes or not? 2 अछि 2 is not a perfect square. 3 is not a perfect square. Root कितना अछि 3 root 3, yes or not? Okay. Next 4 is a perfect square, yes or not? 5 is not a perfect square. Then 6 is not again not a perfect square. 7 is also not a perfect square. 8 is not also a perfect square, but 9 is a perfect square, yes or not? 9 is your 3 square, 4 is your 2 square, and 1 is equal to 1 square, yes or not? So these are the perfect single digit perfect square numbers. These are the single digit perfect square numbers. Okay. Similarly, so the next question. The first four odd natural numbers is divisible by 3. First four odd natural numbers. से कौन बोलते हैं? Odd natural numbers. Again, first four odd natural numbers divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 natural numbers के क्या चुके? Divisible by 3 natural numbers अच्छी वाला 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 24 27. These are the natural numbers divisible by 3. So he is asking about the first four odd natural numbers. First four odd natural numbers. Odd. 3 is odd. So this one 6 is even number. Okay. So 9 is odd, 12 even, 15 is odd, 18 even, so 21 is odd. So these are the first four odd natural numbers which is divisible by 3. What are the numbers? 3, then 6, sorry, not 6, 3, 9, 15 and 21. These are the first four odd natural numbers which is divisible by 3. First four odd natural numbers which are divisible by 3. 3 द्वारा divide होतो first four natural number. Those are numbers 3, 9, 5 and 15 and 21. Okay. So similarly go for the some next question, some more questions. Look. See this one. Question number 13. The counting numbers between 15 and 35. The counting numbers between 15 and 35 is of divisible by 6. 15 to 35 ଭିତରେ ଏମିତି କ'ଣ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି those counting number, that means natural numbers between 15 to 35 which are divisible by 6, which are divisible by 6. Okay, so 15 to 35 ଭିତରେ କ'ଣ ନମ୍ବର ଅଛି? 16 which is not divisible by 6, 17 which is not divisible by 6, but 18 lies between 15 to in between 15 and 25, so 18 is divisible by 6. Next 24, next 30. Yes or no? So 18, 24 and 30, these are the numbers lies between 15 and 35 and divisible by 6. These are the numbers divisible by 6 and lies between 15 and 35. Okay, go for the next one. Question number 14. The name of last 3 days of a week. The name of last 3 days of a week. Week तब कोड स्टार्ट कर चुके हैं week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes or not? So last 3 days of a week. Last 3 days of a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are last 3 days: Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These are the last 3 days of a week. Similarly, next go for 15. Set of months of a year having 31 days. That means को मंथ रे बिले 31 days अछि, से मंथ सेट गुडा को मंथ रे 31 अछि बिले January having 31 days. Yes or not? February not. Next March consists of 31 days. April is 30 days. May is of 31 days. June 9. Next day July and August. These are the months having 31 days. Then October. Next December. Next your December. These are the months of a year having 31 days. These are the months of a year having 31 days. Okay, next go for the 16 number. X such that ये को फॉर्म रे गिवन अछि बोले सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे गिवन अछि. So set builder form रे कोन दै छै x such that x equal to 1 by 1 minus p. X is equal to 1 minus p, where p is a natural number. So p can be 1, p can be 2, p can be 3, p can be 4. Yes or not? So if I substitute in place of p 1 minus 1 is your 0, 1 minus 2 this one minus 1, 1 minus 3 this one minus 2, 1 minus 4 this one minus 3, 1 minus 4, this one minus, sorry, 1 minus 5, this one minus 4. These are the numbers represented by this set x as that x equal to 1 minus p, where p is a prime, sorry, p is a natural number. Okay, so it consists of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. So this is the questions. This is all the questions regarding your roster form. Next is some questions about your set builder form. So is given that right is given set in the set builder form. को फॉर्म रे गिवन देछि बले रोस्टर फॉर्म रे गिवन अछि ताको हम को फॉर्म रे लिखिया सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे लिखिया को ट्राई करिया रोस्टर फॉर्म रे गिवन अछि ताको हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे लिखिया को ट्राई करिया से कोन देछि फर्स्ट सेट रे 2 4 6 8 10 2 4 6 8 10 यस और नॉट सो आको हम सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे लिखिया कोन लिखिया बले प्रोसेस जानछि मु x as that x equal to 2n and n is a natural number and n less than 6 yes or not ये कौन है 2 then कौन है 4 then 6 yes or not so this is in the form of 2n where n का कौन बोले n का natural number n कौन है पे less than 6 that means 1 नहीं पे 1 पुट कर लेगा तो n जगह 1 पुट ले x equal to 1 n जगह 2 पुट कर लेगा तो x equal to 4 n जगह 3 पुट कर ले x equal to 6 if I put n equal to 4 then we get 8 if I put n equal to 5 then we will got 10 okay so next 2 3 5 7 11 यहाँ भितर कौन करियर अछि जो सेट जो एलिमेंट अछि ताको भितर मत गोटे कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी खोजियर अछि कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी यस और नॉट 2 3 5 7 12 these are the prime numbers less than 12 yes or not 2 is a prime 3 is a prime so x as that x is a prime x is prime less than 11 this is the common property between the elements of set 2 okay similarly January, June and July these are the names of months of a year starting from letter J so in set builder form आप क्या लिखे x such that x is month of a year starting with letter J starting with letter J letter J को यूज करके स्टार्ट होता मंत्र नेम कौन ले नेक्स्ट these are A E I O U these are the set of vowels of your English alphabet आपको जदि हमें set builder form रे लिखिया कौन लिखिया x such that x is vowels of English alphabet x is vowels of English alphabet okay so some more questions Thursday and Tuesday आपको सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म रे क्यों लिखे हैं x as that x is day of a week starting with letter T similarly 1 4 9 16 and 25 this is set consists of elements 1 4 9 16 and 25 बाकी तो ଗୋଟେ कॉमन प्रॉपर्टी मार्क करि परछ बले से कोन अछि समस्त स्क्वायर अछि हां नहीं 1 होचे 1 to square 2 is 2 square sorry 4 is 2 square 9 is 3 square and 16 is your 4 square 5 square is equal to your 25 so this is n set builder form x as that x is your n square. X equal to n square, where n is a natural number less than 5, sorry, less than 6, and n is a set belongs to n, that means natural number. Similarly, see the next one. This is a set consists of elements 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. These are the multiples of 5. So x such that x equal to 5n, where n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. और आज अगर हम कौन लिख दे n belongs to n and n less than 7. Yes, x equal to 5n, where n is a natural number less than 7. Next 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. We can write it x as that x is odd number less than 10. These are the odd numbers less than 10. Okay, done. So some more examples. Next one. 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64. आपको हमें रोस्टर को सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म लिखने कौन लिखे हमने x such that x equal to n square. X is your n square. X equal to n square, where n equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 square is your 64, 7 square equal to 49 and 6 square 36. Okay. So AEIU, eta to agro koilite AEIU, IOU, these are the vowels of your English alphabet. Next, go for 11th one. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the 7 colors of your rainbow. Yes or not? So आपको हमें set builder form में लिखा है x such that x is colors of rainbow. Okay, next for question number 12, these are the months of a year having 31 days. Months of a year having 31 days. So for 12 we can write it in set builder form, that means x equal to x such that x is a month of year having 31 days. Months of a year having 31 days. Okay, so next class we will discuss about different types of sets. Okay, thank you.